This is Anderson Bridge. We have already learned about a Western Bridge and a Kelvin double bridge, and how can we balance the bridge and condition of the balance bridge. Okay, in this bridge the R1, L1 and R1 is called as a Z1, R2 is called as a Z2, R3 is called as a Z3 and R4 is called as a Z4. So this is a look like a delta, and this delta we have to convert into the star. So there is a formula of conversion of the delta to star. So the x is equal to, so adjacent side of the x is equal to r4 and r. Okay, so x is equal to r4 into r divided by all the sides. So r4 plus r plus 1 upon j omega c. So why we put a j 1 upon j omega c? So c is equal to 1 upon j omega c. Therefore we have to use 1 upon j omega c. Okay, then y is equal to r into 1 upon j omega c. Okay, so adjacent side of the z is r4 and c. Therefore we have to use r into 1 upon j omega c divided by whole sides. Okay, r4 plus r plus 1 upon j omega c. Then r is multiplied to 1. Okay, so r upon j omega c divided by r4 plus r plus 1 upon j omega c. Okay, then z, the adjacent side of the z is c and r4. So r4 into 1 upon j omega c divided by r4 plus r plus 1 upon j omega c. So r4 is multiplied to 1. So r4 divided by j omega c divided by r4 plus r plus 1 upon j omega c. After the conversion delta to star, we get this diagram. Okay, so r1, l1 and small r1, then r2 and y plus r4 and x plus r3 and this z. Okay, the d, what is mean by d? So this is a null detector. When bridge is balanced condition, then the null detector detect the 0. Okay, so in a balanced condition, balanced bridge condition, the z1 into z4 is equal to z2 into z3. L we can write the j omega l1. Okay, so we have to put the values of the z1, z4, z2 and z3. So value of the z1 is r1 plus r4, r1 plus r1 small r1 and the j omega l1 into y into r4. Okay, is equal to r2 into r3 plus x. So z3, the value of the z3 is r3 plus x. So we have put here. Okay, so r1 into r4 is equal to r2 into r3. After the transfer the r4 to rhs, the we can write the r1 is equal to r2 into r3 divided by r4. But here r1 is equal to r2 into r3 divided by r4 minus r1. So L1 is equal to CR2 divided by R4 into R in bracket R3 plus R4 plus R3 into R4. Advantages of the Anderson bridge. Low value of the inductance can measure independent of the supply frequency. Balance can be easily obtained. Used for the wide range. Disadvantage, more complicated because of more component. We have to convert a delta to star. Then expensive, and shielding of this bridge is a difficult.